Craving a homemade meal but too busy to cook? Want to make restaurant-quality dishes at home that you are proud to share? Look no further than Thermomix, your personal kitchen assistant inspired by French creativity and made possible by German engineering. All the recipes in Cookidoo have been developed specifically for Thermomix to guide you through each step of the cooking process, mixing and heating in one bowl. With an integrated scale that's precise to the ounce, your Thermomix weighs each ingredient as you go. With its powerful blade, Thermomix quickly chops onions, vegetables, fruits, or herbs. Expertly sauté using the integrated timer, preset speed control, and precise temperature settings. Steam rice, fish, and vegetables, maintaining their nutrients. And with the help of aroma, cook a complete meal at once. You can also skillfully whip and whisk cream and eggs to perfection for a variety of sweet treats. Plus, so much more. With the powerful combination of Thermomix and Cookidoo, the possibilities are limitless. So what are you waiting for? The Thermomix TM6 is the only tool you need to create modern food masterpieces with exceptional results every single time.